A nature park has sort of the same protection as a national park. However, there is human activity. There's agriculture, there's skiing, there's huts that are, you know, offering food and all of that.
So that's where we're headed, up there. Let's see if I can zoom in. Up there. Amy, share that line.
I just said, why travel if you don't want to get lost?
Brilliant words. Look at this. Whew. Yeah. We're almost up to that top cabin we were going to. We came from way over there. It's just stunning. It's incredible. Wow. Definitely feeling the altitude a little bit, but the beauty absolutely outshines everything else.
Prost.
Prost. A cup of tea.
That's everything.
Oh yeah.
Hey, quick question. What does travel mean to you? Okay, thanks.